Hira Hosèn, and I'm here to catalyze global ascension. And today is a very beautiful, special day. I am in Bali. I've been here almost 2 months with my family and have been going through major transformations. And today I'm in Mount Agung. I just learned that it's 3,000 meter high. It's a very high mountain, and it's been very active lately. Yeah, so when we just arrived, like there was this earthquake. I never had been in an earthquake, so that was really intense. And she was about to erupt and stuff. They call it also Shiva Mountain. I will show you. It's just amazing. I really feel like vlogging about this planet being inherently good, and we as human beings being inherently good. I got an email yesterday from one of the people that did my workshop about 3 years ago in France, and Lydie, and she sent me a message, probably really from her heart, yeah, which was an attack about me being like a role model for her and like some kind of a teacher and teaching her about Ascension, and how disappointed she is or was in me right now, because I said that everything in the world is good and that everything on this planet is good. So I just want to vlog about that, like for her, for you, for everyone on this planet. Of course, we have many, many problems. It's clear. And of course, what happened on this planet is that for a very, very, very long time, I mean, we're talking about millions and, 500 million years, this planet has been invaded, you could say, by the dark forces, and somehow it took a very long time for the divine energy, the prime creator, God, goddess, the divine energy that created this universe. It was created through many creator gods and goddesses. Some famous ones are, for example, Horus or Hira and his twin flame Sekhmet. Anyway, more about that when I go to Egypt for the whole month of October. So, check out my website. It's going to be uploaded soon about the travel. So, but I didn't want to talk about, I just want to kind of like go into that sense of this planet being bad, or when I say this planet is good, inherently good, I mean it on a very high level. I mean that inside of us we are inherently good. Each and every human being inherently inside of us, the true self of who we really are, is inherently good. And somehow we wanted to play this game of light-dark duality of bad and good, and and so it has been played, and it took a very long time for the divine energy to actually respond to it, because it was unknown to it before. Yeah, it was unknown to it before. It was this planet was supposed to be like one of the most amazing planets of like a library where, paradise, full-on paradise, where a lot of species and variety of life could be nourished and living a very happy, joyful, loving life together. And then the darkness came in, and we fell. So the whole universe fell. And it took a very, very long time to respond to it, because it was outside of this universe that the response needed to be created, because this universe was created without defense, without war machines, whatever. It was not created as being so much. It couldn't really defend itself. So yes, a lot of us, a lot of light workers have been going to this planet and reincarnating again and again and again, without defense and without help. And so I understand when I say that everything is good on this planet, that a lot of us get triggered, yeah? Like Claire, like Lydie, she gets triggered because she feels all this pain and suffering, and I agree. There has been so much pain, so much suffering. You can really see it, like the dark. At a certain point, the dark forces just there was a bigger percentage of darkness on this planet than light, and so then they even made like a frequency fence around this universe, so the divine force couldn't even come through. It's like being kidnapped, yeah? It's like, and then all kinds of horrible things are done to you. So, but if we see it as from the victim perspective and just keep on hammering on how bad this planet is, we don't help. We don't help each other, we don't help ourselves, and we don't help. It's way more powerful and empowering to show and know that inherently everything is good, So, and this is really as it is, at a very high level. When you look at it from your higher self perspective, everything is inherently good and beautiful. And so the more that we tap into that knowledge, to finish that story about the fence, of course, you can call them light warriors, which are made from a different type of material, you could say, like harder than diamond, have come through the fence, and you could say the light has won, and the darkness has no more power as it used to be. The powers that were, so you can call them the powers that were. So it is done. This earth has ascended. We are saved, and so the more of us light workers that are vibrating at this very high level of love and light and joy, the more we can actually help our universe and our earth to continue bringing in that light. So if of course I wake up sometimes. Yesterday it was Earth Day, and I was going around Bali, and I was on my scooter, and I was crying. I was crying because I saw so much plastic and pollution and waste. So of course I'm not saying just to be hard and just to kind of convince yourself that everything is fine when you don't feel it. It's fine to cry for the pain and suffering, but it won't help you nor anybody else to step into this kind of victim role where everything is bad and wake up, wake up because it's bad. No, it's completely the other way around. Wake up, everything is fine, everything is good. Like Rinpoche, my teacher, gave me this pendant, which is one of my most valuable objects with my marriage ring, and this is so amazing because it means all is well. Everything is good. Inherently, we are good. We are made out of the essence. The essence of who we truly are is good, is light, is joy, is trust, is confidence, is beauty, is alive, is vibrant, is healed, and all this. So, yeah, I think that's really what I wanted to share. That it's more empowering to show and feel and work through your pain and work through your suffering, and of course ask for help, knowing that deep inside that this planet is inherently good, the pure essence of this planet, and most people on it, unless you are a dark worker, their essence is different of a dark worker. Their essence is dark. It's a different material. But we light workers and most human beings on this planet are inherently the essence of who we truly are is light, love, so and joy. So anyway, to show you a little bit of this beauty here, it's just amazing. I'm just here on the earth, yeah, with my bare feet. Let me show you that.